Yeah, it's really a huge issue, and it's multifaceted. So we're in a kind of a bit of a vicious circle right now where people basically move from company to company. And that has benefits for the field and obviously for those individuals. It helps with the dissemination of knowledge and information, which I think advances the whole field. But it's really, I think, brought to the fore and highlighted that the field needs more people. There's a lot of funding and financing in the field, which is fantastic, but the field needs more people. And in different ways, and this could be from manufacturing personnel who are doing the hands-on work of actually making these therapies to quality control, people to engineers who have experience in process development of cell and gene therapies, but also to people with regulatory expertise. And the regulators themselves need more people as well. So I think it's a challenge that really it's going to take all the stakeholders in the field to come together and address.